best tablets in 2021 are incredible things. As powerful as PCs and as convenient as phones, we use ours for almost everything. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 tablets on the market this year, based on price, performance, features, and situations that they will be used in. We will be taking a look at tablets in every price range, so whether you're looking for an entry-level Android tablet or a top-tier Apple product that delivers professional results, we will have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which tablet will be best for you, stay tuned. And as always, all the links to find the best prices for all the products mentioned in this video will be below. So for the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, make sure to check the description. All the products in this video are in no exact order, so make sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. Number 1. The Apple iPad Air 2020. This technically is the iPad Air 4, but it is more like the latest iPad Pro, but with some more niche Pro features removed. Apple Pencil 2 support is here though, and there's a smart connector for a keyboard too, so this is a slightly better proposition than the entry-level iPad for serious typists, and those who will need to use their tablet for working. That extra power goes a long way to generate a more laptop-style experience. Price-wise and specs-wise, this sits firmly in the mid-range of the Apple iPad tablet range at the moment, and that should tell you all you need to know about whether it's the best tablet for you. It's a really good balance of price, performance and portability, made even better by iPad OS. You get much stronger specs and hardware than the standard iPad, but not quite the full works that you get with the iPad Pro. This is, in our opinion, the just right product that will be ideal for most people on the market in 2021. If you're looking for a fantastic all-round tablet experience, the latest iPad Air delivers, and does so at a firmly mid-tier price point. Number 2. The Apple iPad Pro 12.9. The iPad Pro 12.9 inch is the largest, most powerful tablet we've seen from Apple. Indeed, its 12.9 inch 2048 by 2732 pixel display is a thing of real beauty, while its incredibly powerful A12X Bionic processor is a technical marvel, rapidly crunching any task you throw at it. There's a top-level supported suite of tech and features too, including a high-capacity, long-lasting 9720 mAh battery, 6GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage space, as well as 4K video capture functionality and support for Apple's great new Apple Pencil 2. The tablet runs the latest iPad OS and comes installed with 4 powerful speakers behind the screen, which make consuming media a joy. Number 3. The Apple iPad 10.2 2020. The 8th generation iPad is the cheapest full-size Apple tablet, and it's an evolution of its predecessor. Some of the specifications are the same, so there's the same 10-hour battery life, 3GB of RAM, 32GB or 128GB of storage, and silver, gold or space grey finish. But the 2020 iPad now has the same Apple A12 Bionic chip that appeared in the iPhone XS, and that delivers a claimed 40% increase in performance and twice the graphics performance too. As with the 2019 model, this iPad works with the first generation Apple Pencil, and it also supports the smart keyboard. It's cheaper than before. The regular retail price is a very reasonable $450. The iPad Air is the better tablet. It has a faster processor, more storage, a better camera and a True Tone display, and second generation Apple Pencil support. But it's also considerably more expensive, and the entry-level iPad really doesn't suffer from any unnecessary corners being cut. It's an exceptional device for its price and represents superb value for money. Number 4. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. If you want the best Android tablet in the world today, then the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is the slate that stands out. It's a powerhouse that not only goes toe-to-toe with the iPad Pros in terms of performance, but does so in terms of style and build quality too. The tablet is only 5.7mm thick. The star of the show is the Tab S7 Plus 12.4-inch AMOLED screen, which has a super crisp resolution of 1752 by 2800, and in what will be music to Android tablet lovers' ears, a refresh rate of 120Hz. Yes, that's right, using this slate screen is buttery smooth. Elsewhere, the tablet is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 865 Plus processor and comes loaded with up to 256GB of internal storage space. Being honest though, even if you plump for the 128GB model, which is cheaper, then you can easily upgrade its storage, as this tablet comes with a microSD card slot. Throw in Samsung's excellent S Pen Digital Plus stylus, as well as a keyboard cover, and you've got yourself not just a slate, but a hyper-powerful creative tool and laptop replacement, which makes that high price far more understandable. There's so much more on offer too, such as a 5G model, a triple camera system, and excellent Samsung applications. Basically, this is one killer slate, and for our money, it's the very best Android tablet on the market today. Number 5. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. If you prefer Android to iPad OS and want the very best tablet that's powered by Google software, then the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 is a great choice. It's beautifully designed, it's packed with power, and the S Pen continues to get more and more useful with each passing upgrade. In our review, we praised the tablet's sleek looks, the software sophistication, the quality of the media playback, both audio and visuals, and the look of that high-resolution 10.5-inch screen. It may not be quite as good as the iPad, but it's close. Samsung has even managed to pack in a dual-lens rear camera on this device, so if you absolutely must take photos with your tablet, this won't let you down. As with the iPad, you're probably going to want the official keyboard accessory as well, which will cost you extra. Overall, if you want a quality Android tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 is one of the very finest slates on the market today. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, why don't you consider subscribing? We do our best to keep you up to date on all the latest and greatest products available. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Remember, all the cheapest prices for these products online can be found in the description of every video. Hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next one.